Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the condenser fan motor in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and my own made tool, which is a ratchet with a Phillips blade in it. We need it short, so that's about 2 inches. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is located at the back of the refrigerator inside the machine compartment. The motor turns the fan blade and cools down the compressor and the condenser coils. If the temperature inside both compartments is higher than normal and your ice cubes start melting, check the condenser fan motor. If the fan blade is not obstructed by foreign objects, but the motor is still not running or turning away too slowly, replace the condenser fan motor if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove the rear access panel that is held in place by Phillips screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to take them one by one out. And then we can lift it off. Alright, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and pry the fan blade of the motor shaft. And I'm going to remove it out and put it aside. We're going to reuse it. Before installing it, we need to wash it. Next, I'm going to press down the locking tab here on the plug and pull it down to disconnect. We need to remove this Phillips screw so the bracket would be loose. We will need some flexibility on it. I will explain you later. To remove the motor, we need to take out this couple of Phillips screws. One here in the front, and the other one is at the back on the other side of the motor. I'm going to use this homemade tool, which is a ratchet with a Phillips head. And we're going to take the screws out. Okay, and I'm going to loosen up the back one and spread this bracket apart. And I'm going to remove the motor. Don't lose this the grommets. I need to fish it out. That's the rear one. Now we need to remove this grommet from the old motor. This is the old condenser fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we need to install the grommets. One goes on the front, turn it around, and one goes at the back. We're going to start installing the new motor with placing the plug into this opening at the bottom. Pull the plug and the cord. All right, now we're going to place this shaft into this cutout in the middle. Spread this front and back. And make sure that the grommets are installed properly. And then we're going to use our tool. And the rear one. Place that cord back. Plug the disconnect in. Align the plugs and press it in. And it's going to lock.
The fan blade goes on. This way is on the shaft and this way is out. Hold the back of the motor and press it on all the way. Then we can install that bracket back up and secure it with a single Phillips screw.
Now we can install the rear access panel. We're going to place these two clips over at the bottom. So these two clips goes over the chassis. And flip it over, match the holes, and now we can secure it with the Phillips screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.